Hi friends, I would like to introduce you some of the beautiful flowers of our surroundings. Have you ever noticed or given attention to these beauties of our surroundings? Maybe usually we may call them as wild beauties, wild flowers. If you observed it closely, these are unique in size, unique in style, and unique in appearance. I observed them closely daily and took some shots. On my morning walk, when I observe them, I feel the innocent smiles on their faces, and I think they are being recognized by somebody. They feel that they are being recognized and noticed by somebody. So I am very happy daily to see these beautiful flowers. I hope this video enjoy you most. Thank you.